Welcome to Websoft Solutions Australia. If you like our content, please consider subscribing. Today we will compare Netlify with Infinityfree as web hosting platforms. To get a better understanding of both options and how to sign up as well as do initial setup configuration, we have added links to our videos in the description. Netlify has been around for years, has more features and a wider ecosystem of supporting products and extensions. If you're looking for power and features above all else, go for Netlify, but if you're not quite sure what you want, you can watch this video and compare both the options yourself. Netlify is everything you need to build fast and modern websites, continuous deployment, serverless functions, and so much more. Netlify lets you host your static website and serve them through its Content Delivery Network or CDN. It is not a typical CDN platform, but if you are hosting a static website, then it would be worth considering Netlify. It offers you cloud hosting services as well as offer you with the ability to handle backend operations with its serverless service. It offers following features: domains and DNS management, automated previews of every commit, automated builds from Git deploy to global edge network site previews for every push, instant rollbacks to any version. Deploys static assets and dynamic serverless functions. Netlify uses an atomic deployment system to get your updates to the CDN and online. The site automatically detects changed files, uploads them to the CDN, then switches to the modified site once all the files are available. No hassle for you, it just works. By default, Netlify sites are available on their own subdomain. They also support custom domains, and these can either be registered and managed direct from Netlify, or you can use domains held by another registrar. On the limitations front, Netlify does not offer WordPress content management system. A wide variety of users prefer to use WordPress for its ease of deployment and maintenance, so there is a downside here for Netlify. HTTPS is relatively simple, too. Every Netlify site gets a free Let's Encrypt HTTPS certificate, or you can use one of your own if you need something more extended validation, say, or a wildcard certificate. There are real technical surprises, too. Split testing, for instance, allows you to divide your site traffic between two or more separate deploys. Define the percentage of traffic you'd like for each, and Netlify directs your future traffic to match. That's ideal for A/B or multivariant testing, seeing how your visitors behave if you change various aspects of the site. So ideal that it might be an expensive premium feature in some services, but Netlify throws it in for free. So finally, Netlify is a mature and featured-packed serverless platform with everything your development team needs to build and deploy static websites. Check out the free plan to see what it could do for you. Now moving over to Infinityfree, it is worth mentioning that their official site is pretty plain and overrun with ads, but easy to use partly due to its simplicity. Unfortunately, like with most free hosts, it doesn't feature an official blog nor is it particularly active on social media sites. Infinityfree offers 3 shared hosting plans only, one of which is completely free of charge. It is titled Infinityfree, and it should include unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, although it is limited to 50,000 daily hits, and unlimited hosting domains. It also supports 400 MySQL databases, a single FTP account, but not a single email account, and all of the above is granted with limited server power. Despite these limitations, at least the plan includes a free subdomain, free SSL certificates for all your domains, and a Softaculous auto-installer with over 400 handy apps. Your account UI is easy to use and provides access to a simplified version of a Linux-based control panel, also called a cPanel. Although you won't get all the tools you would with a regular cPanel, Infinityfree's version will cover all the essentials including online FTP manager, MySQL database control, pub/myadmin, options for PHP, DNS, cron jobs, error pages, backups, and more. If you want to utilize some of the most useful apps out there, such as WordPress, you can have them in working order within a few clicks thanks to the Softaculous one-click app installer. Having in mind that we are talking about a free service, we didn't exactly expect to be blown away by neither speed nor uptime performance. There are speed issues in loading the sites once hosted by Infinityfree for users with a free sign-up option. It is expected that this issue is not caused in paid plans. As you might have guessed, customer support provided by a free host is almost always nothing to talk much about. Such is the case with Infinityfree, so don't expect to get one-on-one consultation via telephone, live chat, or email. Although there are a few email addresses available for contact, it is stated that they are not meant for support and that all of your questions are going to be left unanswered. So finally, if you are trying to find a free host for a blog, small portfolio, or any other personal project on a similar scale, then Infinityfree is worth a look. With user-friendly cPanel, softaculous, and easy-to-follow how-to guides, you'll be able to build a captivating website without too much trouble. As a final verdict for speedy static websites, Netlify is your preferred option, but for content management system like WordPress on a free plan, give Infinityfree a try. You always have the option to transition to a paid plan for better speeds, but having a free option even on a trial basis is still a plus. We hope you would have found this comparative review informative, and we thank you for your time.